Animation has become a big industry, much akin to an ancient tree from which many branches grew. We have motion graphics, frame-by-frame animation, puppet animation, 2D animation, 3D animation, and so many more. By extension, the software with which animation is made are many: paid and free, complex and simple, focused and all-encompassing. In today's video, we will explore two of animation's most popular software and compare them. Without further ado, let's explore Toon Boom Harmony versus After Effects, two software that are considered the industry standard in their respective domains.
If you want to learn 2D animation, I recommend taking a look at CG Spectrum, which is one of the best online game development, VFX, and animation schools. They offer a more personalized education experience. And unlike other online schools, CG Spectrum follows a more hands-on approach with a lot of activities and weekly Q&A calls with instructors who have many years of experience working in the industry. So you will have the support and professional feedback you will need to get yourself industry ready, not to mention a thriving community of students just like you. Through the whole journey, your mentors will guide you through learning both modern and traditional animation techniques with multiple sessions a week. And they have two types of courses in CG Spectrum, 4-month courses and a 12-month diploma. The curriculum is well structured to make you job ready. So if you are interested in animation and open to new doors for yourself in the industry, check out the link in the description of this video.
Software overview. Toon Boom Harmony. Developed by Chorus Entertainment, Toon Boom Harmony is a 2D animation software with a main focus on puppet, frame-by-frame, and traditional animation. The software is available on both Windows and Mac. The price for the software depends on which version you are going for. The Essentials version costs $25.50 USD a month. The Advanced version costs $64.50 USD a month, and the Premium version costs $117.50 USD a month. The price point differs due to the difference of tools and features in each version. Toon Boom Harmony is the industry standard in 2D frame-by-frame and puppet animation, and is used by the likes of Disney, NBC, Ubisoft, and DreamWorks. If you are into the animation industry, you have probably heard of Toon Boom Harmony or have used it. After Effects. After Effects is a digital art software developed by Adobe Inc. The software is mainly used for visual effects, compositing, animation, and motion graphics. After Effects is available on both Windows and Mac OS. The cost of After Effects depends on your purchase plan, $52.99 USD a month if purchased as a part of Creative Cloud that includes all the software Adobe offers, such as Photoshop and Adobe Animate, and $20.99 USD a month if After Effects is purchased standalone. The software is a leader in the motion graphics and visual effects industry. If this software intrigues you and you wish to take a deep dive in its history, you're in luck. Feel free to check out our video, The History of After Effects, for more information about how this software was created. Now let's move on to the good stuff. Tools and workflow. Harmony is equipped with great features, a user-friendly customizable interface, and a wide variety of tools for animators. The software's tools include, but are not limited to, of course, deformation tools, morphing, inverse kinematics, particles, built-in compositor, 3D camera, and 2D to 3D integration. The software is more than capable of helping you make a traditional 2D animation from start to finish. The software can work with either raster or vector. It also provides alignment guides and snapping. Another great tool is the stabilizer. This tool can make lining your frames a lot easier, especially if you're importing your frames sketched traditionally but want a digital clean line art. Another very powerful and smart tool in the software is the cutter tool, which allows you to cut bits of line art sticking out that are unnecessary. Talk about a quick cleanup. The 3D space in camera can be a genius way to give the illusion that your scene is animated when it is just layered in a 3D space, and the camera's movement makes it so that it looks like it's moving. This can be a great tool if you're creating a video game and wish to have parallax in your background for a livelier look for less effort. Other tools and features include X-Sheet, Shift and Trace, onion scanning and range, color swatches, lip sync, and importing 3D objects. These tools are very powerful, and it makes sense that the software is the industry standard for 2D animation. It goes without saying that we have only grazed the surface of this behemoth of a software, and that its tools are more plentiful than we could include in this video. After Effects is designed in a sophisticated and user-friendly interface. The software has a variety of tools. For instance, you have your shape tool, pen tool, mask tool, camera, pre-comps, and a variety of blending modes such as overlay, dissolve, and difference. Shape layers, nesting compositions and pre-composing, adjustment layers, track mats, pick whip, null layers, cameras, graph editors, and so many other tools and features. The software leans a lot more into the creation of visual effects and motion graphics for film and generally video media. This doesn't mean that the software is not able to create 2D animation similar to that created in Toon Boom Harmony. However, you won't find the same powerful tools that make the process easier. Too long didn't listen? If you want a software that does motion graphics and visual effects first and frame-by-frame animation second, After Effects is for you. If the other way around, Toon Boom Harmony might be what you're looking for. This could be the case for graphic designers who work mainly using video and motion graphic assets and would like to have a little bit of a hand-drawn animation used in their work. Learning curve. Both After Effects and Toon Boom Harmony are equipped to the brim with a variety of tools and features as explored above. This is great, as you wouldn't need to switch between software just for that one tool. However, this means that they have a steep learning curve. The sheer power of these two software doesn't allow them to be simplistic. Although it is important to note that they are both designed in an intuitive and user-friendly way. They'll still take you quite the time to learn, but of course, for good reason. Thankfully, the community around these software is great. There are plenty of YouTube videos that will help you get well acquainted with the software, and especially since these two software are quite well known, loved, and at the top in their respective industries, you'll be sure to find the help you need. Pros and cons. Simply put, Toon Boom Harmony is a great 2D animation software. It is equipped with everything you need to animate and then some. It is the industry standard. Some high-end animation courses are even based on the software. For example, there is a professional training at GC Spectrum provided by mentors and trainers that were certified by the Toon Boom company itself. We'll put the link in the description for you to check out if you're aiming to land a job in the industry. If you're interested in pursuing a professional path in animation, you will not go wrong with Toon Boom Harmony. Here's the catch though. Although it is designed as intuitively as possible for such a tools and features rich software, it can have quite the steep learning curve. It is also a little expensive. No, actually scratch that. It is really expensive. However, there are multiple versions you can choose from that are a lot more affordable. Adobe's After Effects is way cheaper than Toon Boom Harmony, especially since you will be getting all the tools in the software, and you can get Adobe After Effects bundled with a variety of other high-end software for a lot less than Toon Boom Harmony's premium price. That said, After Effects is not specialized in 2D frame-by-frame animation, and veers a lot into the motion graphic and visual effects side of things. Adobe After Effects definitely has a steep learning curve, but if you're already familiar with its family members, Photoshop and Friends, you might be a lot less confused and overwhelmed using the software. There's also various online courses that can help you get a good grip of it, like the Domestica course that we took here at Inspiration Tuts by Clarence Moletta. The link will be in the description box below. Final verdict. Let's put this simply. If you have a focus on frame-by-frame, digital animation, or traditional but processed digitally, Toon Boom Harmony is your guy. If you want to be a professional in the long run, using Toon Boom Harmony and getting used to it can be a great plus for you, as it is what is commonly used in the industry. After Effects is for those of you who have a film, marketing, and generally a video media focus, where the main star is videos, films, and motion graphics with a sprinkle of frame-by-frame animation. It can do frame-by-frame animation, but let it be known that it is not the software's strongest suit. This is it. We have reached the end of our video. We hope our comparisons of After Effects and Toon Boom Harmony was helpful for you and taught you something new today. Do you use any of the software? What is your favorite tool in each of them? Make sure to let us know in the comments. With that said, we hope to see you in our next video. Bye!